Sing that shit. Shit.
Well, hello everyone. In today's interview, we are going to interview Syed Abu Sufyan, who is joining us from Bangladesh. So, Syed, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir. And what about you, sir?
I'm also totally fine. So, Syed, I would like to ask you to please describe something about yourself.
Yes, sir. Myself, sir, Syed Abu Sufyan, my full name, and I'm a second year student of JIS University Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, pursuing my second year, fourth semester, sir.
Okay, and tell me something about your family.
Yes, sir. My father is a businessman, sir. He's working as a tours and travel agent for last 35 years, and that's why I'm here. Actually, I'm also studying in hotel management. That's why,
Okay,
sir.
Premjit, you can ask your question to him.
Okay, Shayad. So, Syed, in which department you are interested in?
Yes, sir. I'm very much interested about sir housekeeping uh, department, sir.
Okay, it's interesting. So, Syed, can you please tell me why you are interested in housekeeping?
Because I
Why?
found,
Because, yes, please
yes, sir.
continue.
First of all, thank you, sir, for selecting me for this interview, sir. My heartiest thanks to you, sir. And I got select housekeeping because, sir, I found this department is very much easy and very much interesting for me, sir. And I'm a very much innovative to organize everything or something. Since from my childhood, I like to organize and I like to collect cleaning agents to clean everything, different brands cleaning agents I have at home, sir. So that's why I got select in this department, sir.
Syed, can you please tell me the example of easy? You are saying the word easy, right? Please
Yes, sir.
explain the word easy. Why it looks easy to you?
Exactly. This is also my question, Syed, that you mentioned that housekeeping is very easy. Like, why is it?
Yes, please,
No,
Syed.
actually, sir, I'm saying that, sir, easy for me, sir, because I love to do it and it's very much interesting for me. That's why I found it easy out of 4 departments.
Okay, it's easy for you, right, Syed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Easy and lovely profession for me, sir, in future.
Okay.
I hope
It
that's
seems
so.
you're organized. It seems that you are an organized person,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Over to you, Rishabh, if you wanted to ask something.
Okay, Syed, I'm going to ask you a question related to housekeeping. Okay, please answer me. All right. So, Syed, I hope you know what turn down service is, right?
Yes, sir. Turn down
Please
service is a
explain.
housekeeping rooms. Yes, sir. Turn down service is a housekeeping room service, sir. Uh, it's a
So please speak
preparation.
little louder. Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Turn down service is a room preparing service, sir, which actually happens 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. before the guest enter the room for night, sir. Usually,
All right.
sir, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., sir. It's a room preparing service for the
Okay,
night of
all
guest.
right, all right. Yeah, understood. Okay, Syed, one thing I want to ask you is that you mentioned that housekeeping is your favorite department, right? So,
Yes, sir, very much.
if you come to our hotel for your training purpose, will you be able to do training in all the 4 departments?
Yes, sir. I like each and every department, sir, but I have a very much soft corner for housekeeping, sir, actually. Housekeeping department, sir.
So this thing is starting. You yeah, decided from starting only that housekeeping will be your favorite department.
Yes, sir. Of course,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. Premjit, over to you.
Okay, Shayad. It seems very interesting that you are a different kind of person. So I wanted to give you a jam topic, right? You have to speak onto that topic for 1 minute. Okay. The topic is very easy. The topic is tell me some of your good memories in your life. What you have learned from your life till now. Either it be good,
Okay,
either
sir.
it be bad, whatever it is.
Okay, sir. Actually, my good memory is, sir, last year, I sir, participate in a vaccine trial as a volunteer, sir. And when sir, the testing vaccines second phase pushed in my body, it's sir 16 December, which is our victory day. And that day I selected to push my vaccine as a volunteer, sir, in last year during the pandemic situation, sir. It's my the
Okay.
sweetest memory ever in my life, sir. Still.
Okay. Okay, you have really done a great job. I've also seen that you started volunteering at Corona period, at pandemic period. It seems good to you. Good to you. Can you
Right.
please explain the memories, what you have experienced at that pandemic time, what you have actually done, what people are actually doing, how they are suffering? Please explain that situation.
Last last year's 3 months, April to June, these 3 months, 100% lockdown maintained in our country, sir. And then, sir, we work as a volunteer to helping the slum children, to help the slum children, to help the poor, sir. Actually, those days, people also very much like frightened, sir, frightened and very much, sir, nervous. But in 2021, the situation better now. The thing is that, sir, everyone's very much phobia type of something happened in everyone's mind, sir. Everyone mindset. The thing is that, sir.
What the difficult situation what you have faced that at that point of time? What's the most difficult thing which you have faced at that point of time? To
Difficult
explain
thing.
people that what is going on right now, how to do the things, how to maintain everything. What's difficulty you have find out?
Difficulties for, sir, like everyone like stayed at home, but when they had any little viral fever, then they got frightened, sir, and calling us in our health center. And the thing is that unnecessary, sometimes we felt unnecessary they are calling us. So the thing is like that, sir.
Yes, actually, Shoyod, I want to congratulate you. You have really done a great job at that pandemic time, because we were also like that. We used to sit in a home and think what was going on, but you actually come out of your home and actually starts helping everyone. It's good for you. Have actually done a great job. So I want to congratulate you for that. So over to you, Rishabh, if you wanted to ask something.
Okay, Mr. Apu, I want to ask you one question that you are from Bangladesh, right? So you're
Yes.
from Bangladesh. Whenever you will be taking a final job, which would you prefer the most? Like you would be preferring to work from Bangladesh or would you be preferring from work from India? What's your preference?
Actually, sir, first, actually, my observation is quite different, sir. First 6 months or 1 year, I want to prefer the job from India. And from then, sir, I want to come back in my home country to maintain the regularities of my job, sir.
What's the reason
Same
behind that?
property.
Yeah, what's the reason for that?
Because, sir, if I do the job for 1 year in India, then then I will understand, I think, sir, the culture of India, how hotels are going in India, sir, how guest service in Indian hoteliers are giving, sir, and sir, for that, sir,
Then
and I
why?
will learn.
Yeah, I have
I
one
can learn.
question.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
I have another question that why did you did your hotel management from India? You could have did it from Bangladesh also, right?
Yes, sir. Because, sir, the problem is that we have not any good hotel management college over here. Actually, Bangladesh is a new country, so not hospitality in tourism and hospitality sector much more developed. But sir, it is still developing, sir, day by day. It's a developing industry in Bangladesh. And sir, we have many Marriott properties and Marriott brands over here, as you know, sir. So, sir, I got select hotel management in study in India, sir, because I can learn something different, sir. And my college is a very big campus, sir. And I love to play sports, sir. That's why I got select this college, sir. Actually, the thing is like that, sir.
All right. Yeah, understood. Over to you, Premji.
Yes, Rishabh, yes, Shoyat has actually answered all the questions perfectly. But Shoyat, one last question for you is that if anyone at this pandemic wanted to join hotel management course, did you suggest as a hotelier at this point of time to join?
Yes, sir. Obviously, sir. According to the World Health Organization's report, sir, next year's at the mid, everything will be fine, sir. So, sir, it's a very vast and booming industry upcoming hotel industry in my observation or in my personal market inspection, sir. In this, sir, next uh, 3 to 2 years, sir, 2 or 3 years, it will be very much, sir, booming industry, sir. Again, sir, come back strongly. This industry, upcoming hotel industry, coming back very, sir, strongly, sir, within next year
Absolutely.
or after next year, sir.
Absolutely. We will definitely bounce back and get into the normal days. Hope so that yes, we will come back. So over to you, Rishabh. If you wanted to ask something at last, or we can end the interview.
Yeah, I have one last question to you, Abu. That is, you explained me that you want to work in India for 1 year and then you want to go back to Bangladesh and do your work in Bangladesh over there. But I want to say you one thing is that, as you also know, that the salary which is given in India, it is half given in Bangladesh. I think you also know that. So if you would be
Yes, sir.
having your achievement from India only, then why won't you continue your job from India itself?
No, sir. In Bangladesh, hotel management salary is very good, sir, because each and our every hotel have the Indian staffs or employees. As I got visit in many hotels in my country, sir, they have a sous chef from India. Many Indians are Indian, Sri Lankan, and many Philippines, many Canadian, Americans are working over here, sir. Actually, the thing is like that because we
But
don't have
yeah,
any
yeah, I understood. Yeah, I understood, Abu.
person
But
in
if
hotel
you,
industry.
yeah, I understood. But if you compare the tourism sector, India has much more tourism compared to
Yes, sir.
Bangladesh. I feel you also agree with this point. So
Yes, sir.
in hotel industry, as you also know, where there is tourism, where there is more tourism, that particular field is more advanced and more developed. So India, if
Yes,
you compare to Bangladesh, India is having much more tourism. So you can continue your job, you can continue your profile from India itself only, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to do the OJT from India, sir, actually,
Okay.
on the job training program from India because we don't have OJT program in Bangladesh. It's called actually learner employee program in my country. So I want to do the OJT, or if I crack the interview, placement interview, then I want to do management training program or the operational training program, sir, if possible for me. Or either I will take this OJT program, sir, off the job training or on the job training, sir. Then I want to come back Bangladesh for 2-3 years, sir, for
All
next
right.
two 3 years, and after that I want to take, sir, my master's program in hotel management, sir, from India,
All
sir,
right.
obviously from
Oh,
India, sir.
all right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Said Abu Sufyan. Well, Premjit, what you want to add something?
Yes, actually, you have planned your career in a very fruitful and in a very organized way. As seems you are a housekeeping personnel, so it seems good to interview you. I think we can end the interview, Rishabh, and go on to the feedback session.
Sure, we can
Yes,
move
sir,
to the
it's my
feedback
pleasure,
session. Yeah.
sir. Sir, it's my big pleasure to meeting with you, sir. It's a very big pleasure for me, sir. Thank you.
All right. So, Premjit, we can start with the feedback session. First, you, please.
Mm, yes, Shoyod, everything is good, but let me tell you one thing. You seems very nervous. I don't know why, but you seems very nervous. But you actually answered all questions perfectly. But I am repeatedly telling you one thing. Please try to speak a little louder because it would be more understandable to everyone who are listening, and be clear to your words. Yes, you are clear to your words, but you need to be meaningful to the people who are listening, right? What you are actually saying. Overall, it was good. Your communication skills is good, but you need to upgrade yourself. I think I have concluded the feedback. Over to you, Rishabh, if you wanted to give any feedback to him.
Yeah, sure. Abu, I want to state that your interview was really good. You answered all the questions really well. I don't have any complaints from my side, but as Premjit also said one thing, that you were very nervous, and that was really visible on your face also, because whenever you were speaking, you wanted to speak, but you were unable to speak. This was the situation for you. I understand whenever this is there's an interview going on, people usually freak out, people usually get into the state of nervousness, but practice more. And other than that, you are totally fine. That's all.
And please smile.
Yeah,
Because
exactly. Smile.
Your smile
heartiest
can-
thanks, sir.
Your
My
smile can
heartiest
make-
thanks to you, sir.
Your smile can make that one day for the interviewer who are interviewing you, because everyone are nervous, and at that point of time you smile and show the positiveness, then it will be more better for you as well as for the interviewer. Okay, Rishabh, we can end the video now.
Yeah, we can end the video. Side of you, you were really good, and it was really a pleasure to interview you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. It's my pleasure too, sir.